Hi, welcome to another video on the composition of trig functions number 4. This one is similar but a little bit different. Find the value of each function as a fraction. Cosecant the arc of cos to the negative 12 over 13. So we want it as a fraction. Let's see. Cos is negative, so cos is we have cos, and we have secant, and we have cot. All of those have the angle between, when you do inverse, between 0, 90, and 180. Remember, sine, cosecant, and tan is between negative 90 and 90, so this is between 0 and 90. 0 and 180, sorry. Positive, always from 0 to 90, and this is negative from 90 to 180. So that means we're in quadrant 2 under rotation. So the rotation is here. So we draw terminal arm perpendicular. So cos, again, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that means negative 12 over 13. Adjacent is negative 12. And it's in relation to the rotation is here, but the reference angle determines it. So the adjacent is negative 12, hypotenuse is 13. So to work that out, we need to find cosecant, which is related to sine. So let's see if we can find the other side. So the other side is c squared is a squared plus b squared. So this other side, we can say this is x, this is the radius, our hypotenuse, and this is the y. Let's call this the y. So we have 13 squared is equal to negative 12 squared plus y squared. 169, 144, and that's 169 minus 144 is 25. So that means y is equal to plus or minus 25. So y is plus or minus 5. And so this is a 5 because it's going up, so it's positive. So that means the cosecant. Now, this is whatever angle you want this to be. Let's call it the reference. This is the reference angle. So when you do the inverse of this, we get that angle, whatever this angle is. So we get that angle, let's call it theta. Okay? So this is theta as the angle, but it's determined in relation to your reference angle right here. So this is theta. It's more than 90, less than 180, but it's determined in relation to this reference angle right here. Now, the cosecant, let's do cosecant. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, or cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. So in relation to what theta is, in relation to the reference angle, the hypotenuse is 13 over the opposite, which is 5. So notice I didn't need the angle. I just needed to know. I needed to use this angle as, pardon the pun, reference to find what the fraction is going to be. Okay, a little bit different. And let's do another one. Secant of arctan of a negative 3/4. And we have tan, so we have sine, cosecant, and tan go together. And so those three go together is negative 90, negative 90, 0 to a 90 in degrees. So it's negative, from 0 to negative 90 is negative. From 0 to 90 is positive. This is a negative number. So we are in, again, let's see where we are. We're in negative angle between 0 and negative 90. So that means we're down here somewhere. And so we draw terminal arm, drop a perpendicular to the x-axis. And tan is opposite over adjacent. So that means negative 3 over 4 is opposite over adjacent. So opposite is the negative 3 in relation to this reference angle. And the adjacent is 4. And we work out the Pythagorean. So that's a 3, 4, 5. Sorry, that's a 3 and a 4. So automatically I can put a 5 here because I know that that's a 9. 16 is 25 and the square root is 5. And it's positive 5 because it's the hypotenuse. So if you want to work that out like I did here, go ahead. But I memorized 3, 4, and 5 are special. So this is the secant of, and now the angle here is, again, let's just call that angle theta. This is theta. We don't know, we don't need the angle because we just want the other part of this reference in relation to figuring out secant. And secant is hypotenuse, reciprocal of cos. So secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. So the hypotenuse is 5 over the adjacent, which is 4. Again, we didn't need the angle. We just needed to use this angle, whatever it is. I can work it out. It would be no trouble to work that angle out and pick out that it's going to be negative, but I don't need it. I just know that here it is, and I need to go with hypotenuse over adjacent. And there's the answer. So that's a couple more examples. They're done. And again, the more we do, hopefully the better you understand. And if you like my video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you'd like to join my channel. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. The content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, which is just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.